Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's DelftStack tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix the read-only file system issue on macOS, which usually shows up when you can't move, delete, or save files on a drive or even inside certain folders. First, start with the simplest check. Open Finder and locate the drive or folder that is giving the error. Right-click it and choose Get Info. Wait for it to load. Now look at the bottom under Sharing and Permissions. Make sure your user account is set to read and write. If it is set to read only, click the small lock icon, enter your Mac password, and change it to read and write. Sometimes this alone fixes the issue, especially after updates or when permissions get stuck. Now, if the problem is still there, the next step is to repair the disk itself. Open Disk Utility from Spotlight Search, wait for it to load, then select the drive from the left panel. At the top, click First Aid and then run it. Let it complete fully without interrupting it. This checks the file system for errors and repairs anything that is causing the drive to lock into read-only mode. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's continue with the next fix. Next, if you are using an external drive, unplug it safely and reconnect it to a different port. Wait for it to mount again on the desktop. Sometimes macOS mounts drives in a restricted mode if there was an unsafe removal. Also, open Disk Utility again and check if the drive is showing as mounted. If not, click the Mount button manually. Then go back to Finder and test again by dragging a small file into it. Another useful check is in System Settings. Open System Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and make sure Finder and any related apps have full disk access enabled if you are working with protected folders. If macOS blocks permissions, it can force a read-only behavior even when the disk is fine. Finally, if nothing changes, restart your Mac once and try again in a normal boot session. In many cases, macOS resets the mount state during restart, and the drive returns to normal read and write access. And that is it! You now know how to fix the read-only file system issue on macOS. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.